I'm going to unbox Huda Beauty items that I bought for the first time at Huda Beauty website. And this is coming directly from Dubai. Alright, so excited. I paid customs fee for this one and tax. But it's okay. I got it in a very good price. What was that sale again? If I see it, I'm going to put it on a screen. But seriously, there's just so many things that I ordered for Black Friday and I have completely forgotten about the sale or how much was the offers and all that. But this was a very, very good sale. So I think it's about 30 something dollars for each of those big palettes. Oh my gosh. So you know that I have a Mercury retrograde palette, and yeah, I made a look out of that. You can check it out on the description bar, or just look at it here on my YouTube channel. So I'm opening it, you cannot see, right? Because my blade doesn't have a holder. Alright, and then I was contemplating between these and then ordering from Anastasia Beverly Hills website, but I did not at the moment. And then Anastasia also have a very good sale like after Black Friday, I think the weekend of Black Friday, and so I bought more things. Yes, and that's will be this unboxing video also. All right, so was this the first one that came? It was the brushes that came, but yeah. So I'm going to share this with you right now. Oh my gosh, first time. Okay, so some paper of my order for sure. Okay, this is the freebie. This is the freebie that they got. It's a Wishful Honey Balm. Right there. And it looks like this. It's very cute lavender packaging for this honey balm. Okay, I haven't tried. So yes, it's only this year that I started collecting or trying out Huda Beauty products, and I only aim to collect all of the bigger palettes because the smaller palettes are like ColourPop. There's way too many, and a lot of them are sold out already or out of stock all the time, so I do not dare to complete them. But the bigger palettes, I could dare to do so because they are 5 bigger palettes. One is already discontinued, so 5. And then I have the retrograde. I have 2 here, and I have 1 more coming. So the only big palette that I don't have is the Nude Palette, something like that. Alright, okay, so first item right here was this one. The truth is, I only wanted this too. And because the nude one was like a little bit more expensive, like 40 plus US dollars, and this were like 30, was 33, something like that, 34 or 35. And then this one was like 13 US dollars, if I'm not mistaken. I think this is still a sale. Wow, I didn't know that it was this small. They were so small. Wow, this is like really beautiful. I'm just gonna put this 2 down, but these are the 2. Alright, so there. So this is Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsessions. Right there. And then when we open it, we see here beautiful shades. So I have checked out videos about this one. So this palette is mostly all shimmers. Wow, this one says made in PRC, so made in China. This one's made in China. This one is made in Italy. Okay, my heart. Alright, the bigger palettes, yes, I saw this from the reviews. They are made in Italy, but this small palette, or maybe it's just this particular one, Gemstone Obsessions, is made in China. But you know, I love shimmers, so that's gonna be a good addition to my collection. I'm not gonna go ahead and swatch them yet because this is going to be a long video, but I just wanted to share with you the things that I bought and then just show you like that, just like show and tell a little bit. All right, the Desert Dusk palette first. So this is how it looks from the box, and it looks like this. Wow, that's so pretty. So that's Huda's eyes, and she got that on most of her palettes except for the new one, the Naughty palette. So that's very pretty. And then let me just check the shades. I checked it myself before I show it to you. Ooh, that's pretty. Ah, okay. There is a cover here. It's also like some eyes, like so. So it's not just like a clear plastic, and the stone is covering the mirror. So that's really nice. And these are the shades. Those are so pretty. Desert Dusk. I'm so excited to go out and play with it. This is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Remastered. And it looks like this. That is so stunning. Very pretty packaging. And Huda is there also. It's the mirror, and then this is the plastic that's covering the shades. Okay, good. Then nothing is broken here. That's perfect. And that's about it. That's all for this one. And thank you so much for watching this video, Fierce Loves, and I hope that you enjoyed my fast and just a quick unboxing of my Huda Beauty first orders online on their website, hudabeauty.com. So please go ahead and check out my other unboxing, the part 1, which is Spectrum Collections brushes, part 2, Sigma Beauty brushes. This is the part 3. I have a part 4, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills unboxing from their website also, and a part 5 with a mixed makeup palettes. See you on my next video. Remember to stay fierce and fly high.